So now, in order for us to build our automation framework, the first step is for us to create a new folder. So you can create a new folder anywhere. So you click on open folder, not file, open folder. So you can create a new folder anywhere in your desktop, downloads, documents. But don't select your downloads folder. You create a new folder there. New folder. Then you give it a name. That same new folder, you have to update the name. You have to rename it. So, Ajibola, there's a new folder in your downloads that you've created. It's called new folder. You need to rename it. That's how you rename it. So you go back to your downloads. Right click on that folder. Just go to your download. Yeah. Right click it and you rename it. Now call it automation framework. Small letter, everything small letter. JavaScript convention. Automation framework. Yeah. Dash in between the framework. Select folder. So now that we've created our folder, the next step is for us to add our dependency that we're going to need. Okay, so we need to add our dependencies such as bar and parents. Okay, so I'm going to send you the command that you can copy on the on this chart. So, so create a new terminal. So, so to create a new terminal, you need to click on where you see your file, edit, selection, view. So that three dots there, you click it, terminal. I'm going to paste it there. So I've sent it to the Telegram chat. But before you copy it, the first step is to do npm init. Why? So yes, everything is small letter. npm init space init. Just like how the autocomplete is there. Yeah. There should be space between the dash and the y. There should be space between the init, the dash and the y comes together. They don't need to be space between the dash and the y. Yes. We can enter. So that is the first step for us to initialize our dependency. So our package. So once we initialize our package, then we can proceed with installing the playwright. So click on enter. Since you've copied it already, click on enter. That's just what we need. Cucumber and playwright for the meantime.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to, pardon?
Can you see it?
Oh, we didn't copy it properly. Let me see. Mm, Okay, let's do it one by one then. See, you've done it twice. Now look at what you did. You copied it. You did it npm install save the playwright at Kumba. Then the next part is duplication. So you didn't copy it properly. So you need to just do it once. I think it's on your terminal. Just right click once, paste it once, then click on enter. You don't need to click on tab again. Enter. So like that. So, so, right. Yeah. Well, now let's initialize our playwrights. We're going to send the command to the chat. So if you can copy the next command, npm init playwright test, just make sure you copy it and paste it once. Click on enter. Pick TypeScript. Select TypeScript, click on enter. Click on enter. Well, we're not going to be using it anyway. Click on new or type in new. And anyone else, you can still install it to get the updated browser, and that's fine. So it's installing the types. Okay. So that is our playwright. So we set up playwright already. So the next one is we're going to install some dependencies that we need actually. So so I've sent the next one to you. So you can copy the next one. So I've sent it to you already. So don't, I know you may be wondering that, oh, where am I getting it from? Actually, you can go online and go and check it, and we're going to get the same thing. So there's no there's no magic there. They are just dependency from the package manager, which is Node. So, and I can also show you how to get it from there. Well, in order to make this session actually fast a little bit, so that's why I'm just telling you to copy from the chat. So now we've installed it, right? So this is all our dependencies that we need. So the next part of it is for us to create our we're going to create our folder structure. Now we're going to be using the BDD. So we've installed Cucumber, which is going to help us with our getting syntax, the given one done, right? So we don't need test, and we're probably not going to use the playwright config.ts. So, like I said, there's a sketchy way for us to interface with Cucumber and Playwright. So we need to create a new configuration fast for that. And in order to achieve that, we're going to use a special folder structure. And this folder structure is actually common in probably the Node world or the JavaScript world, as you may want to call it. So can you please delete your test folder? The test folder, can you delete it? So you right click and click on delete. Delete. Yeah. Then the next one we're going to do is going to put a new folder. So you need to create a new folder inside this place called SRC. Yeah, click on the folder, SRC. Click on enter. So now this is our source folder, and in our source folder, we are going to have extra 5 folders. So we're going to inside the source. So you create on 5 different folders. So the first folder you're going to be creating is going to be called the features folder. Not in the node mode, in the SRC. It's the first one, the features. Yeah, click on enter. So now your folder is being selected as features. In order to change it back to SRC, make sure you click on the SRC. There's a line. It's just a line. Click on the SRC, yeah. Then click on new folder again. So the next one is going to be 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓. 𝐂𝐿s. So this is the brain of our automation framework, right? So this is the brain. This is what tells it. It controls the before and the after section of our automation framework. So type in 𝐂𝐎𝐻, 𝐻𝐿s. Okay. So you click on the SRC folder again. Click on new folder. The next one is going to be page objects. Page objects, PAGE. So dash objects. That's going to be ECTS objects. So after that, the next folder, you click on SRC, right? Then click on new folder. It's going to be step definitions. So I don't think you have I in between your N and your T, because you have to be correct and put an S at the end of the definitions. The definition. Because the way we structured it, we're still going to edit the config, the cucumber config anyway. So, and the last one is going to be utilities. So this is where we're going to keep our configuration and the likes. You don't create it inside state definition, you put it inside SRC config. So that is our folder structure. So thank you, Ajibola. So please, I'm going to go around now to ensure that you've either done it or you're in the process of doing it. So you can stop sharing your screen. Ola, please, do you want to share your screen quickly? Please, let's be fast with it. If you are, please stop sharing your screen. Ajibola, please stop sharing your screen. Okay. Ola, please share your screen. Please, thank you. All right. So please open Visual Studio Code. Create a new folder. Open folder. Create a new folder there. Right click. Create a new folder. So new folder. New folder. You do it in automation framework. Please select the folder. Click on select folder. Yeah. So create a new terminal. New terminal. We change it from PowerShell to CMD. So that makes personal issues. You just click on the drop down. There's a drop down beside the plus button. Yes. Then you click on command prompt. And CMD. So if you can copy it's already on the chart already. The first one is on the chart. Then you go to the chart. You can copy it. The first one is npm install save there. Playwright and Cucumber. You can copy that. So once you've copied it, you can paste it.
PM, what did I need to write?
npm install.
npm.
Yeah, you can put I, so you don't put a stop. I. Small letter. Yes, yeah, small letter install. After install space, dash save them. Or dash.
Install, is it install double L or one L?
Yeah, double L.
Okay. And what again?
Dash save them.
Save.
There should be a space between the install and the space, and it's double dash on them. I want to delete the space, dash. Save there. Now, there shouldn't be space between the save and the dash. After the VE, dash dev.
Install space.
Then there's a dash save, dash dev. Then space, playwright. And space at Cucumber. Slash of, I don't know. The question mark slash. Yeah. Then Cucumber.
At Cucumber splash.
No, Cucumber. See my life outside. Before we start, you should have started with npm. Click on enter only.
I should click on enter.
Yes, please.
I've clicked on enter.
We're going to install it anyway, so it's fine. The next one is npm init playwright at latest. That's massive. So
npm
space
init
tools playwright at latest, everything together. Click on enter. We're going to use TypeScript. TypeScript, click on enter. Yeah. Click on enter. Click on new and click on enter.
enter.
Yes, please. How's this? Okay, right. So the next one is this is a little bit long. Are you copying it or it can't from Zoom? The meeting chat. You can't open meeting chat because it's a little bit long.
Yeah, I think I've copied the link you asked me to pick to copy it earlier.
As in the last message, can you copy it?
Let me check.
On the chat. The last message that I sent to the chat.
Okay.
Are you able to copy it? Save devs, colors, cucumber. If you can copy them, that's perfect. And those paste it here. Yeah. So we need to be long. Yes, please. Click on enter. You can close. It's fine. It's just telling that Control V doesn't work. I think you just need to click once and it's going to paste. So I'm keep binding like Control V will not go to the terminal by default. Yeah.
Hold on. I don't know what happened to my. It's not responding. Hold on. Okay.
You can enter. Okay, so now we need to start the folder structure. So before we even start, let us look at our package.json. Package.json.
What do you say?
Click on the package.json.
Package.
So have you seen the playwright config? No, it's not there at all. Yeah, package, not block, the JSON. Yeah, just click on it. So scroll down. So all the packages that we installed are there as a dev dependency since we did save dev. Right. So before we even do the folder structure, type in npm init y on the terminal, inside the terminal, the CMD terminal.
Okay.
Yeah, npm init -y space init space -y space. It's the space between the dash and the y. Yeah, click on enter. It's fine. Okay. Then let's delete the test folder. We don't need the test folder actually.
This?
Not, we can close this, but we need to delete the test folder. Delete. Remove recyclable. So now we're going to create a new folder from the scratch. We set up our folder structure. So you click on new folder, type in src, click on enter, then click on new folder on src. So type in features, click on enter. So you click on src again. Yeah, that is actually, yeah. Then click on new folder and type in utilities.
Oops. What is it?
Utilities UTIL. UTILITIES.
UTILI.
ILITIES. TIES.
EI.
TIES. Then the next one in SRC is going to be 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓. New folder. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶. The next one in SRC is going to be new folder in SRC. Page object. Page/object. Dash and it. Click on enter. Then the next one in SRC, click on SRC, new folder in SRC. It's going to be step definitions. Step dash definition. So any place that there should be space, you should just put a dash when you actually your folder in your file.
Okay. Step.
When it comes to JavaScript, definitions, small letter D, definitions, NS. Okay. So I think that is our 5 folders that we need. So now we can stop sharing your screen. So Marvelous, please share your screen.
Yeah. I hope all these folders are correct.
Yeah, they are correct.
Okay. With the color of this thing now.
Yeah. It's just the, how I put it, there's just, it's the plugin we installed that actually gives it the color. So you use like a popular name, then it's going to give it a folder icon, actually. And if it's not popular, it won't give it a folder icon. But that doesn't mean it is wrong. So it is the file, it's material UI icon that we're using. So please, Marvelous, please share your screen. Thank you.
Hassan.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, please. So do you want to put a new folder?
You said?
Create a new folder. So you put a new folder. You can create it in maybe downloads, anywhere you prefer. In desktop, in the mount.
Okay.
You can call it everything small letter. Automation, framework.
Okay.
And you name it should be in small letter. Can you name the folder, please? Yeah, you can call it automation, anything that you prefer. You click. So now let's go to Visual Studio Code. So you click on File. So the file is open folder. And we go to desktop. And we click on the automation. Let's click on select folder. So you put a new terminal of accepted this.
You said?
I say after you've accepted this, either use on anyone is your desktop, so you can decide not to trust yourself. And say not to trust your author.
Okay.
You can click on yes, you can click on yes. So we click on new terminal. Sorry, on terminal, I mean. It's very close to the file edit view run terminal. New terminal, please.
New terminal?
Yes, please. So we don't want to use PowerShell, right? We want to change it to command prompt. So there's PowerShell, if you move your cursor towards the right. So after ports, there's PowerShell. But we're not clicking on PowerShell, right? There's a drop down very close to PowerShell. There's a drop down icon very close. You click on the drop down, then you click on command prompts. There's a pop-up that came out now. Command prompt, please. So now you have to copy this. Sorry, before you copy the command, do npm. Type in npm, please.
I what?
Type in npm. N-P and M. You can't hear me. Really?
I can't. I didn't hear you properly.
npm.
Okay.
Space. Init.
It.
INIT.
Okay.
Space -1.
Space what?
-Y. Click on enter. Right. So now I have sent the charts. Oh God.
Okay,
so look at the commands I sent. So you need to copy them step by step as I sent it.
Okay.
Not in this chat, like there is Zoom chat in it.
Okay, the Zoom chat.
Zoom chat is.
Where is it? Where is it? Okay, found it.
If you open your Zoom, you'll see
I found it.
chat. So just start from the one I sent. Don't use Deborah message, please.
I think this is the only message I'm seeing here.
Which one is that?
10 p.m. in it, playwright at latest.
Oh, you didn't see the first one.
I don't know.
Okay, okay.
Not showing here.
And start with the one you see. Then start with the one you see.
Okay.
You can copy it and paste it. Click on enter. TypeScript.
You said?
TypeScript. The first one.
So I should copy it?
No, just click on enter.
Oh, okay.
Enter. No. N. Yes.
Should I still click on enter?
Yeah.
Okay.
It seems this is going to take a little bit of time. Deborah, please, do you mind sharing your screen? I'll come back to Marvelous. Let's start the stuff first. I'll stop sharing your screen. Deborah, please. Share your screen.
Oh.
Yeah, go to Visual Studio. So, create a new folder. Open folder. Click on open folder. Create a new folder there. So you can call it automation folder. You just give it a valid name. So you have to put the folder before you search for it. So you right click downloads and you put it in the folder. You right click your downloads.
You down.
Right click new folder. Go down to new. Give it a name. The automation okay. Now look at today. If you scroll up, no, you didn't give it a name.
I didn't give it what?
A name. You haven't given it a name. The folder you just put, you haven't given it a name. So if you scroll up,
I should scroll up.
What do you do? What do you want to do before?
You said I should give it a name.
Yeah, please. Okay, now you are doing it wrongly, actually. Now, what you are doing is trying to select a folder that doesn't exist. So if you put a name, for instance, if there's a valid folder, then that what is going to happen. But now this is the folder you just created today, as I said today. You need to rename it before you select it.
Okay.
You can give it your name in small letter, in lowercase, please. Use number, please. Use number. Please rename it. Don't use number. And don't use space. You need to rename your folder.
Should I just leave it as automation?
So I can leave it here. Like I said, don't use number, don't use space.
Okay.
The reason now it may not make sense, but once you are trying to import, I think you've done JavaScript right. Is the import is going to be strange. I don't want to deal with that. So click on select folder.
I should right click.
Yeah. Now if you look at below, you don't right click. Just click on select folder. Select folder is down. Down. Where you wanted to type it before.
Okay, here.
Yeah, just look at your select folder. It's just down, just underneath it.
I should come down.
Not down. Like when you are trying to type it before.
Okay.
There's select folder there. It's very close. You just underneath. No, you need to type again.
Yeah.
It's you need to click on automation.
Okay, I should select. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was something else. Okay.
So you open the terminal.
Please, I didn't hear you. I should open
New terminal. So you look at where you have file, edit, selection, view, go, and three dots. Terminal. New terminal. You change it from PowerShell to CMD.
I should change it from
PowerShell to CMD. So you click on the drop down and change to command prompt.
Command prompt, right?
Yes. You will copy the command I gave to you, the first one. And sorry, before you copy npm init, npm space init.
Should I give space before I write the npm?
No, you don't need to.
npm
space init.
Init.
Initialization, yeah, space -y.
-y?
Yes. When there's click on enter.
Okay. So what should I do next? Okay.
You need to install so you need to copy what I sent to the chat.
Is it the npm install save dev? Is that it?
Yes. Playwright is cooking now. Yeah.
So
The first
I
one,
should
Playwright is cooking now. Yeah, just paste it.
not give space, right?
Can't you copy it?
It's not on the chat. I had to reopen I had to reopen it on my system. That's what I've been trying to do. It was not talking. So as I open it now, the chat won't appear here. Thank you, Ola. Should I click on enter?
Yeah.
It's done loading.
So now the next one is going to be the second one I sent. Right. The last one is actually meant for Marvelous only. So the second one I sent, which is npm init playwright at latest. So you need to do that one next.
Yeah, I should paste it now, right?
Yes.
I should click on enter.
Yeah. That's good. Just click on enter.
I should just click
click on enter. No. And yes, enter. Why? Enter now. Okay. So Marvelous, please. So you can stop sharing, Debbie, and move on to Marvelous. So stop sharing. Thank you.
Is that going to stop?
See. So you just click on. You see that you are sharing your screen. So if you go back to Zoom. Can you click on Zoom? Zoom, the icon is, I say icon, the Zoom desktop itself. Just click on it. You'll be able to see two split screen. You'll see stop sharing. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, click on the Zoom. Click on Zoom on desktop. This middle one, that is, you see that you can see that stop sharing. Or those go back to, see, this is sharing control. You can stop it from me. I don't think you'll be able to click on it. Just go to the my where you see my name.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's going to come up. So please, Marvelous, share your screen. Okay, so we've installed Playwright now. So the next part is, you see, yours is to copy the third one I just sent. So I sent 4. The second and the third one is just for you. Is for you.
Sorry, I can't really hear you.
I said I sent 4 messages. Messages. The second and the third and the fourth one is for you. So you need to copy it one after the other.
Okay. Two of them at once?
No, one after the other.
Okay. So I should put them together on
Click on enter. Click on enter.
okay. Yeah, I should put the second one here.
It won't work. You have to install first.
Okay.
So Deborah, sorry, Marvelous, you can stop sharing. Deborah, as yours install, okay, yours is fine. Then just copy the last one. You can copy the last one and you click on enter, so to keep installing.
Okay, I can copy the last one now, right?
Yes, and you click on enter and to reinstall it, just like how you did this one. So Deborah, please have, oh, she has gone. So then Marvelous, just keep sharing your screen. Oh, she's back. Deborah, as your Playwright finished installing.
Not
Yes,
yet.
no,
Almost
not yet.
done.
Okay. Almost done. Okay, that's fine. So Marvelous, please keep sharing your screen.
Okay.
So now that you've installed it, so you just need to delete the test folder. Right. So we've installed it already. So now we're done with installation. So you need to now look at where you have your folder, where you have GitHub, node modules, tests.
On my desktop, right?
Not here. Inside Visual Studio Code. Look at
Okay.
it. Not towards that side. That side. Node modules, tests. So you need to delete the test folder.
Okay, the test folder.
Scroll down a little bit. Move towards your right a little bit. Test. Can you see test?
Okay, yeah.
Test.
You can see it.
Delete it. Move to recycle bin. Then you create a new folder called SRC.
What?
Create a new folder called SRC.
Oh, okay.
Click on enter. Now inside the SRC, you create a new folder called features. New folder. Features. FEATURES. Click on enter. Then click on the SRC. Make sure that there's a white line on the XRC. Yeah. Click on it and create a new folder.
Okay.
New folder. Then type in 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓.
What?
𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓. HOOOK and S. Yeah. So click on enter. Then click on the SRC and create a new folder. Call it step definitions. Step-definitions.
Step-by-step definitions?
Step-definitions.
Okay.
Let me send it to the group.
Is this okay?
1 minute. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay, so the next folder you're going to create is going to be the page objects.
Is it also inside SRC or
Yeah, everything is inside SRC.
Okay.
Page object dash object, no space, dash. Yes, everything is in plural. Rename it. Everything should be in plural, actually.
Oh, okay.
Let's put the S. Yeah. Then the last one is going to be utilities for our helper functions.
Sorry, what?
Utilities, like utilities file or utilities. That's it. Yeah.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all. Enter. That's all.
Okay.
So that's everything. Stop sharing your screen, please.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So Deborah, please jump in your screen. Okay. I see installing 7. Let's create your folder structure. So your folder structure doesn't stop it from it doesn't stop us from creating. It doesn't stop us from creating the folder structure. Right. So you delete the test folder. So you right click on it and you delete it. Yeah, please delete it. Any method you choose to delete. So you create a new folder called SRC. Inside automation, no. Inside automation, no. Just click on your folder, SRC. SRC.
I should click on enter.
Yes, please. Then inside SRC, you create a new folder. You're going to call it features. Yeah. Enter.
I should click on enter.
Yeah. Create a new folder. Click on the SRC, then create a new folder. Click on the SRC. You've not clicked on it. You are going to create it inside features. Click on the SRC. Yes, click on it. Now there's a white before you do anything, there's a white line on features. You need to click on SRC. Don't click on the drop down, click on SRC itself. Yeah. Click on your folder. Then call it 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶. 𝐂𝐿𝐓𝐇.
Enter.
Yes. Then you click. The next one is going to be on it's still on SRC. So everything I'm going to do, I'm doing it on SRC. So click on
You
SRC.
still click on SRC.
Yeah, everything we're doing today, we're doing it on SRC. So you click on your folder. Type step definitions, step dash definitions. Dash, not equals to. Definitions. Everything is S because we're adding more than one file inside the folder. Click on enter. Enter, please. Then you create a new folder in SRC. We call it page objects.
I've created a new
Page objects.
page object.
Yes. Dash objects.
Am I adding S?
Yes, please. You put an S.
Am I adding S to the object?
Yes, you put an S. And the last one is going to be utilities in plural.
Utilities. Did you say utilities?
Yes, please. Yes. So that's everything we need for that structure. So that is our folder structure that
Okay,
we need.
I didn't hear you, please.
Okay, that is the folder structure we need.
Okay. Okay, my stuff has finished downloading. My playwright has finished downloading.
That's fine. That's cool. Like I said, we don't need it now. We're just creating folder, and that's what we've done so far.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, the other installation. So the next installation is you should also do the third one. My bad. But forgot. So the
You
third
paste
one in the chat, yeah. Yes, please. And click on enter.
I should copy the last one. It's done.
No, you don't do the last one.
Okay.
The last one is just for my notes because you didn't see it. So now the next step for us in completing our framework is just some random files. So I'm going to send you some files. Like those files are just, I'll see their universal file. So, and one of them is the runner. So, but I'm going to explain the whole. So it's going to be in our utilities, right? So it's just going to be our runner that's going to control how we run our tests. Okay, so what?
I should stop sharing.
No, I'm going to start with you.
Okay.
Oh my God. So now we're going to start with what we call in our utilities. So you're going to create a new TypeScript file called config-helper.ts.
config-helper.ts inside the
Yes,
utility.
yes, please.
Where do I go, please? I should click
Inside the
on the
utilities folder, where you're going, utilities folder, you see there's beside the folder, the previous one is a file. So you need to click on the file, or you right click and you see create new file.
on
Either
the
you
utility.
use, yes, on the utilities, you right click, new file, new file, call it config helper.
Config what, please?
config-helper.ts. Enter. So this is where our configuration is going to stay. So this is very useful when we have when we're working in the pipeline. So one I've already sent it. Okay, so but I'm going to just remove some garbage we don't need. So I've sent it to the group. Oh my god. So I've sent it so you can paste it in the group.
To the group or the chat?
I say the group to chat. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You can paste it to the chat. It's
So I should
it's not the group from the in the Zoom chat, please. Paste it. I think we need to delete the I and mistakenly put an I there. Maybe you've copied it from the chat, so you just paste it. My latest message. And please, you can do the rest. So you can do the next one, please.
It's
Please
not
go on
remove
with
the
it.
I.
Yes, the I before the exports.
Okay.
Just copy it and you delete it out. Not space it, I meant, and you can delete the I.
I should place it now.
Go to the right, please. Let's go to the left a minute. Strange. Left, go to the left. Just keep going moving. To the beginning. Strange. Oh, I see. Go move a little bit to the left. I know why there's an issue now.
To the left or the right?
To the right, I meant. Now the issue is because of this comment. Move to the right a little bit. So you delete there's a two forward slash.
Okay.
Then there's like an arrow that says face case. You have to delete those ones.
With this slash.
Yes. Don't select everything. Don't just delete it manually so you won't make mistakes. Just put your cursor, then delete it step by step. You're not deleting browser type. You're only deleting fix case and the arrow. And yeah, that's it. So save it. Save it. I think you should format. Oh, you didn't save it format. So you can copy this and you send it to the charts so that they can use the updated version. I'm sorry, we need to delete I. I believe we need to delete I, right? And move to the
I deleted it.
okay. You can copy it and send the one to the charts. Okay.
I've sent
So thank you. So that is what we need for our configure plan. So it's all basically used in sex. If we have the environment, if not, it's going to take a default value. So we probably don't need everything. So it's just good to have. Okay. So and you can stop sharing your screen. So I just go around to ensure that everyone has it.
Okay.
So Ajibola, please share your screen. So wait in your config, right? Sorry, in your I believe I called it utilities. So renaming it to utilities. I think it's utilities. Create a new file there called config helper.ts. So look at what Deborah sent to the chat and paste it here, please. And save it. So this is how that it's just our browser width. So now, if your laptop is not 192 by 180 1080p, then you can update this to your side, to your taste. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily need to be this value. So you can always update it. And just to go over it, so we have the headless. So if we don't want it to run in headless, right, we change it from true to false. So browser type, we're using Chromium. Width, we're using 190 for that's the length of the window of our Playwright browser, and the height of the Playwright browser, and the log value is info, then the navigation, right? So in case we have navigation, the timeout for the navigation, and the default timeout is used by Cucumber. Then the retry value, how many times do we want to retry? If it fails, then the parallel value. So if we want it to run simultaneously, you can change it from 1. You can put like 2 or 3. Then our email, in case we have like a email in our .env or a password, but we won't be using .env here, so just ignore it. So all those process.env, you can read about it. So it's mainly a .env file, but we don't need it. So we're not doing something complex. I said it's actually this is just standard for a CI/CD pipeline. So next one is going to be Ola, please. Ola, thank you. Stop sharing your screen. Then Ola, go next. Ola, please share your screen.
No, yeah.
So we create a new file on the utilities. So we're going to create a new file called config.ts, the utilities.
On utilities, right?
Yes, please. A new file, no folder, file.
5, right?
Yes. Called config helper. Config. Not config. There's no UE. Just G. Like it's short for configuration.
Like this.
Yes, please.
Splash.
Dash helper. Yes.
ES.
.ts. TypeScript.
Does yes. Okay.
T.
Okay, TypeScript.
Yes. Enter. Then you paste what Deborah sent.
The first or second?
Yeah, Deborah sent something to the group chat, please.
Should
Yeah,
I
you can
press
save
enter?
it. Yeah. I'll save it, Control S. maybe I've pressed new formats, but it's fine. Also, you've done it already. So the next person is Marvelous. So please, if you want to stop sharing, allow Marvelous to share screen. So you create a new file. Just right click on utilities. Right click on utilities.
Should I click on what?
Utilities. Yeah, utilities. No, not click on start. No, utilities, new file. Config-helper.ts.
What?
Config-helper.ts.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Config-helper.
Config.
CON. Yes. FIG-helper. .ts -helper.ts.
.ts. Okay, sorry. Config / what? Sorry, I didn't get the middle one.
Config-helper.
Helper, right? Okay.
You can enter. Then paste what the URL sent to the group.
Okay.
Sorry, no, I said group. I keep saying group. Sorry. The chat, the Zoom chat.
This one, right?
Can't see your screen. So just paste what Deborah sent, the latest one Deborah sent.
Oh, okay.
Can't see your screen. So
I should copy it here.
you're not copying it, you're copying inside the file itself.
I'm not what?
Once you've copied it, you are pasting inside this config-helper.ts file. Save it. That's
Okay.
fine. Save. The next one is going to be just 1 minute.
Okay, so what next, please?
I'm coming. I'm going to create a new file now.
Okay. Is it still inside utilities?
Yes, index.ts.
Okay.
God. Right. So I'm going to copy it and send it to you.
Copy what? Sorry.
I'm going to send a configuration to you. Like, this is not something that I have to type from the beginning.
Okay.
So I've sent it. So just copy it on the chat. I've sent it.
Okay.
We're using our config helper to do some running of the tests. So this is where we actually run our test from.
Oh, okay.
This is complex JavaScript, let me put that way, or TypeScript. So if I'm to explain it, if I'm just to explain even the previous one, we won't leave here. So oh my god. Sorry. Control Z. Let me do it properly. Just undo it. Undo it properly.
Is that?
Don't undo it. Let me do it properly. Let me remove all the comments. God. Let me remove all the comments. Just undo. Yeah, please. I'm going to remove all the comments from it now. Don't say a proper one. Okay, so I think the next one should be better now. I think the next one should be better. So please check that out. There shouldn't be comments anywhere. Yeah, I think it should be good now. We paste that one, the new one. I just sent.
Okay.
Yeah, please paste it there. What? No, copy. Make sure you're copying the first one. Control Z. So I see the first one, the latest one. Make sure you're copying the latest one. I just sent another one.
It's the one you sent last that I'm copying.
Sure, there's no comment. It shouldn't come out as comments. Don't come out as comments. So this is it.
Okay, this is it.
No, it's still coming out as comments. So the first one is not mine, is the previous one. The second one is the latest one.
Oh, okay. So let me take out the
First one. Yes. So I still copying the two.
Okay.
Two. Shouldn't be error. Let's see an error, which is a process dot exit one. Oh boy. Okay. I didn't send it properly. I'm sorry. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it has a maximum length that I can send anyway, so that's why it got cut off. So to complete it, what you're going to do is going to put a curly bracket in the ending of where you have that error. You're going to put a curly bracket. So the curly bracket is the shift and you just need one, please. Just delete the first one. You just need the closing one, please. Delete the opening brackets. So you just need to click on shift and the closing. Not the square brackets. The previous one, but we only need the closing brackets. So you just need to click shift and the closing brackets.
Okay.
Then do it again.
Again?
Yes, we need another curly bracket again. Well, we need to delete the opening brackets. Do it now.
This one?
Yeah, that's the opening. We need to delete it. Then same thing for the first one. Delete the opening brackets. So then at the ending, right, you're now going to put a closing circle bracket. The normal brackets that's just like teaching mathematics. No, at the ending of everything, at the ending of the curly bracket, you now put down those. We only need the ending, the closing one I meant.
Okay.
It's still red. Strange.
Or is it better to just send it on Telegram, then I copy from there?
Telegram of what I'm using. So, let me see. It's actually reducing my. Okay, I'm going to send a file instead. You see if you can download the file.
Okay.
So I'm sending the index file. So I've sent the file, right? So please make sure you guys download it and you can save it on your PC. No, sorry, it's on the Zoom chat. I don't have Telegram on my laptop.
Oh,
Yeah, it's on the Zoom chat. I sent a file. So you're able to download it. I think sending the file is even easy, so it's easy for me. Have you downloaded? Once you've downloaded it, you will just move the file to your SRC.
okay.
Do you see the file?
Yeah, show me potential security issue detected.
Oh boy, I hate Windows. So you can't download it. Oh,
No, I can't actually.
Let's download it.
Yeah,
It's
just download
TypeScript
it from
file.
my
Yes, on desktop. Then you can either move the file to your utilities and you delete the previous index, or you copy it manually. Anyone that suits you.
Okay, just I'll copy it manually.
So because of the size of the character, it is restricting the maximum character I can send. You can go to.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah. You need to open to Visual Studio Code.
Oh.
Visual Studio Code. Click on open. Just click on open. As you can see, this is how it should be. So you do Control A, Control C. Then move on to the other one. Move to the other index. Control A, Control V. Then you can close the other index. Then you can save it. So we're done with the index.
I can close what?
You can close the other one now. So you can see our index is fine. So I was just trying to put a curly bracket there, and a circle bracket. I don't know why it brought error, but it's fine.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. It's fine now. It's fine. And previously, so please, the next person, Deborah, please share your screen. You're just going to download the index.ts file I sent, and you will move it to Visual Studio Code to make things faster. We're short of time. Go to Zoom. Download the index.ts that I sent to the chat, then you move it to Visual Studio Code. You copy it and then... Can you hear me, please?
Sorry, I can hear you. I was responding. I didn't know you could hear me. You said index.ts.
It is on the Zoom chat.
It is. I should download
Zoom
it.
chat, please download it.
Should I
Please,
also name it?
yeah, it's going to be index. Please, Ajibola and Ola, please do the same thing. Make sure you download the file. We're short on time.
.ts or just
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I said, should I still name it as index.ts or just
Yeah, it's
index?
going to be in index.ts.
Okay, so I can save it then.
Yeah.
I should go to VS Code.
Then put it in our utilities.
Should I put it at the bottom of this?
You just create a new file. You can't paste it here. If you paste it here, you're updating the config.helper. Remember? So you need to create a new file from in utilities folder.
A new file, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then call it index.ts.
Okay.
Then you paste. I don't know if you've copied it somewhere or you just open the file that you've downloaded anyway. So
The one
you
I
open
just
a
downloaded.
folder. Yes. You're not opening a folder. You're not opening a folder. You're opening a file. You need to cancel. We're not opening folder. We're opening a file. It's just a single file you downloaded, right? Deborah, you need to click on cancel. We're not opening a folder. It's just a single file. So if you want to open that way, so you go to file, you click on open file. Yes. Then look on it. Then you go to look at the index. Not that one. Go to download. Not that one. Go to download. Have you downloaded it? Dots. Go to Zoom and you download it again. Go to Zoom. Go to the chat. Then you make sure you download it. Because please, Ola and Najibola, please do the same thing. Make sure you download it.
Okay, it downloaded before. See.
I can't see it.
What should we download, please?
The index.ts in the chat. If it has downloaded, you can locate the file. I don't know where the file is. I don't know. I can't see it. Into documents. Yeah.
I should click on open.
It's open. Yeah. So you can Control A, Control C, then move on to our own, which is the previous one, and paste it. Our index. So we click on our index. Then you paste it there. Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen now. You can save it. Stop sharing your screen.
I was asking if I'm to save it or anything.
Yeah, just save it. That's fine. Then you can close the one that you open. So the one that is currently red. The index that is red, you can close that one.
This one.
And you can stop sharing your screen. Yeah, that one you can close it and stop sharing your screen. Or you will please go next. Download the index. You copy the index, you create a new file, index.ts in the utilities, and you paste it there. You need to create a new file in utilities for index.ts. And you would paste it. Or just look at your index.ts. There's an index.ts again. Previous don't use Where is the one that is red? The one that is red. Where you have welcome config the helper, there's a red index.ts. Click on it, Ctrl A and copy everything and paste it. So you can copy everything. Do Ctrl A to select all, then do Ctrl C to copy. Then you paste it in our own index that we created. Ajibola, you need to select everything in your. You don't need to move away from here. Select everything in your current screen right now. Ctrl H for easy select. Just do Ctrl A. Then you Ctrl C. Then you move to our index and you paste. It's not hard. So we can stop sharing and let Ola share screen. So please stop sharing so Ola can share his screen. Quality night. Please Ola share your screen. We create a new file in utilities called index.
File or folder?
File. Index.ts. Then have you downloaded the index.ts?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So if you have open it in Visual Studio Code.
I should
Open it in Visual Studio Code. Open file. Yeah. In your download, you see the index. Go to download or document. I think it's going to be in documents.
you
Can scroll down to index. This scroll up. The index, beside the zone folder. Scroll down. Index. Click on index. Yes. Select it here. Open. Yeah, open. This is so Control A to select everything and you copy it. Then you move back to our own index and you paste it there.
What is it?
Then you copy it. Then you go click on the index in the utilities file. Then you paste it there. Then paste it there. So that is it. So later on we'll continue with it. So I think this is 11. So let me bore you. So you can just try to recreate what I did tonight so that you'll be able to understand it. But like I said, the configuration, all
Did
this
I
thing we're
save
doing
it?
right
I
now.
should leave it like that.
Yeah, save it. I can stop the recording. Majibola. So, or Oladin. So, anyone stop the recording. So